Introducing the Prestige R2, the little brother to the fastest 16-inch DTF printer, the Prestige L2. 13 inches of roll-to-roll printing with speeds not usually seen with a printer of this size. Utilizing CMYK-W ink for vibrant and beautiful images. The Prestige R2 is a compact yet powerful dual-head roll-to-roll DTF printer. The Prestige R2 utilizes dual XP600 print heads. The Prestige R2 is perfect for new print shop owners, existing print shop owners utilizing other print methods, or existing DTF owners who need a boost in production. Having two print heads allows the R2 to have print speeds up to 27 square feet an hour. This is the Prestige R2.